BMW 5 Series has a brilliant weight distribution, and it really truly shows up in the way the chassis handles. This M Sport version has a much stiffer suspension in the sport mode, and it does reward you when you're taking your corners really hard. Wow, absolutely blissful experience indeed, driving this car hard. No wonder BMW is a favorite of most driving enthusiasts around the world. The way this thing handles these twisties with a lot of change in the gradient as well. And even the M brakes have a very good bite to them.